Good morning. Happy Sunday, guys. What a way to start off a morning. Guys, she overfilled the Berkey filter and got water everywhere. Okay? She got water everywhere. Look at that. All down, all here. It done trickled all down the floor. Had to mop, and it done ran on my rug. What a way to start a Sunday, but it's still a beautiful Sunday. Guys, I'll see ya in the next clip. If you want to continue watching, stay tuned. Y'all, that oatmeal was good. I definitely demolished it. If you was wondering, it had flaxseed, brown sugar, a little bit of Kerrygold butter, and I think that was it. Flaxseed, brown sugar, Kerrygold, and something else I put in there, right, y'all? 1, 2, I don't know. That's what I can remember right now, but I demolished that. But I want to show you guys, it is okay if you constantly rotate things in your house and want to get rid of stuff, because nobody wants to have a home of complete chaos. Well, I don't. If you're new to this channel, I know it might not seem like I'm a minimalist, but I am. That's why my home feels comfortable, because I like to get rid of stuff. When you bring something in, you take something out. So, oh, yeah, it was granola in the cereal. What the heck was I saying? I mean, what? How did I forget that quick? But it was granola. So I'm going to show y'all what I put on offer up, because I tried to find several places and it ain't working. So I just posted this big, beautiful baby on there. And also when I was in the kitchen, I forgot to just show y'all. And I'm mad about my rug, y'all. It's gonna dry, but she's still a little damp on the edges. But excuse me. I put these coasters on there, guys, because you guys know these are beautiful though. I got these from Marshall's, and they have like so many different like colored textures on there, and they're from India, and they all have like the feet on them. So I'm letting these go. Like I said, I purchased these from Marshall's. I already have coasters that I found at the bins that's in our bedrooms. There's 4 back there, and then we have the 2 coasters here, so I don't need no more coasters. So that is going. So I posted the coasters, the base on the table, and I put the lamp. I know y'all gonna be like, what, Sonia? Yeah, I'll show you guys if you're new here. I'm gonna turn this TV down because I was back here relaxing, chilling. Turn it down a little bit. So this task lamp here, I'm gonna get rid of, y'all. I already have a lamp, and I think this is just gonna be so much better with this and this here. And then, y'all, here is the other throw that was from in the bedroom. I really like it, y'all. Look at that. And I don't know if you guys remember, I spray painted that basket there. That was brown. So yeah, I really like that. So I'll show you guys real quick. You ain't gonna be able to really see it on the bed, but if I can put it in this video, I will, about the throw that I got yesterday from Five Below. So that's what it looks like. I couldn't really show y'all because he's in there sleeping. I didn't want to bother him. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of these things outside to the garage, and I'll come back to you guys. All right, y'all, we are going to plant some the thyme today, but I wanted to show you. I remember these I've had, and I DIY these, but if I put clothes plants on them, I'm going to write on here and stick them onto the pot, the planter rather, what they are. So I'm going to write on here. One is going to be thyme. What is that? T-Y-M. Well, I will remember. I think it's supposed to be a H. Yeah. T-H-Y. T-H-Y. T-H. I will remember. I think I wrote it wrong. And then the other one is cilantro. So we'll write cilantro on there. And then we can put these instead of the paper one because it's been raining. Y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all something I ruined, not ruined it, but I just paint over it. But here are things right here. So we're gonna just go ahead, go outside because we're gonna plant those two, well not two, we're gonna plant the thyme because we already did the other one. Yeah, I just forgot the spoon. Hold on a second. I can't do nothing if I don't have nothing to dig with. So just gonna take a regular spoon and do that. So for all you guys that's new here, that has subscribed to the channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll show you what I got. So y'all remember I have, oh, we're so light. Come on, girl. Okay, we got green beans, focus camera, please. We got Swiss chard, and we also have cucumber and peppers. Now these I'm gonna put in a coffee container, a metal container. So that's what I'm gonna do with that one. But we're gonna go ahead and pot this one right now. So let me show y'all something really quick, y'all. I was out here and I sprayed, if you guys remember last summer I bought this from Habitat for Humanity. I was spray painting it black, and unfortunately it got a little bit on here and on my curtain, so hopefully it'll wash off, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna paint it. But yeah, let's get started. So here's the thyme. I'm just gonna open her up. And I think we're gonna put her in the center because we put the other ones over there. They're so tiny. Can y'all, I don't even know if you can see how tiny they are. They're so tiny in there. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna make a space here. Then I'm gonna put them in there. So I'll show y'all real quick what they are. So if you can see, it is those little bitty brown things right there. So we're gonna go ahead and just cover it up just like that, y'all. So quick, so simple. And we're gonna watch those babies grow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put our things on here. So this will be for the, so I can remember this is the thyme. Maybe I'll put it here. That's for the thyme, and then this is the cilantro. Y'all, how cool is that? How cool is that? So easy, so quick. There's no reason to be lazy. So tomorrow we're gonna tackle this one, and as y'all can see, we got plenty of rainwater in there from last night. So y'all, we will be back. Okay? All right. Hey guys, I'm back. I did, however, went to go for a walk. Mark is gone to get his hair braided, and I currently just started drying clothes. So if you hear the dryer, that's what the noise, well, if you hear some noise, that's what it is, the dryer. And I'm getting ready to cook dinner, but I wanted to come back and say goodbye, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If you want to know what I'm cooking, I'm gonna throw in a little clip of me putting the stuff together. But I'm making chili and Brussels. So I already got my red beans sitting here in water. I had a smoothie too. I have my Brussels. I'm gonna cut them up, chop up my purple onion and my garlic. And these are, I'm gonna use cumin, paprika. These are my stuff from the Indian store. Y'all know about the Creole. I got some cayenne pepper, more paprika and black pepper. And I got my water boiling with coconut oil. and my skillet for my Brussels. So yeah, guys, I just didn't want to just leave without saying goodbye. So thank you all for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoy it, even though it wasn't a lot, but I hope you learned something new today. And we'll see you in the next one. So stay tuned for the other clip, and then I'll throw in me cooking the food.